where would you give as advice for an agent that wants to start doing this, get into commercial? Maybe they were doing more P&C before. What's the number one advice that you'd give them to really shoot them in the right direction and make sure that they had success?
Yeah, I think what I would do is if you're going to go down the small business, commercial insurance side, dedicate somebody to it, right? Just start with one person if that's what you're going to do, but have somebody dedicated to it because if you're buying prospects from Bold Penguin, for example, we'll send them to you 9 to 5, anytime during the day. If they get past you, you're going to miss that opportunity if it goes straight to your voicemail. But the same thing, let's say you get a referral and you pass it to someone, but they're doing personal lines and they don't really understand commercial insurance. They're not going to really nail it out of the park. So if you do commercial, just have somebody dedicated to it. If I had an agency, I think it's going to get really fast and really profitable. It already is getting there, but in the next 1.5 to 2 years, it's going to get pretty wild. And I think there's some almost like Moneyball opportunities in the space. If you know what that book is, it's going to be pretty fun for people.
That
Cool.
is awesome.
Yep. Love it. InsurTech meets the commercial space. We've talked to a few people and it seems that way. It seems like all of a sudden within the last few years, there's a lot of technologies that are streamlining the process that used to be absolutely horrible.
Yeah. It's all the APIs, right? So the API, APIs are like two systems that connect, right? Very, very simply, those did not exist, or if they existed, they were really rough until, Bold Penguin started talking about them in 2016. Other companies started talking about them in 2016. Carriers got pretty serious about building them out, and they're stable now. And so you can do a whole lot of stuff. And once you've built out the APIs and given them to one company, then they're available to any other company you want to give them access to. So it allows a lot more innovation.